Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And so in this video, we want to see this particular problem that is a combination of the use of logarithm in multiplication, division, power, and roots of numbers. Right, so you can see all of them represented in this particular example. There's a multiplication here, there's a division, there's a power, and then there's a root. So how do we begin? So we have our number and our log. Okay, so we will bring each of these one after the other and then analyze them. So we begin with the first one, which is 566. So what do? We get the logarithm of that. And if we do that, you recall I said the characteristics will be the digit number of digits minus 1, so which is 2 point. So what will be the mantissa? If you check your log table, I've taught you how to do that. You may need to check the videos on this. Also check the description below. You will find the links to some of the videos on this topic. Okay, so how to find the mantissa of each number. Okay, so the mantissa gives us 7, 5, and 2, 8. Okay, so and then that is for this. So we go for the next. The next is 3.536. Okay, the characteristics of this is 0, and then the mantissa is you check, you have 5485. Okay, so because there's multiplication for the two of them, so in multiplication we will add. Okay, so when we add this, we are going to have, okay, so and then what's the next thing that happened? The two of them were squared. So if you square this, square means you just multiply by 2. So the multiplication by 2 will give us, okay, so that's multiplying this by 2. Now meanwhile, below here we have 4, let me use this, we have 4, 6, 7.1. Okay, so we need to get the logarithm of this. Characteristics is 2 because you have only 3 digits before the decimal point. And the mantissa is 6, 6. So we have 6694. Okay, so now we are going to bring this up to this point. So let me write it under this number, which is 2.6694. Okay, so why did I do that? Because we are having division here, and you recall that division, so we are dividing these two. Okay, so we are going to subtract these two, and when we do, we are going to have, okay, so when we subtract, we get 3.9332. So carefully do all of this and ensure that they are the same. Okay, so and after we've subtracted, it means that this value here is the value of everything under the root. Okay, however, there is a cube root there. And so what do we do with that cube root? You recall we said that cube root means division. So we are going to now divide by the root there, which is 3. So when we divide by 3, we are going to get 1 point. We have 3 here, we have 1 here, 1 here. If you divide 2, it won't go, it will give you 0. And so remember 2, you add 0 to it, which is going to give you 6. And so you will have 0, 6. But we are dealing with 4 significant or 4 decimal places, sorry. So if we approximate, we're also going to get 1 here. And so the implication is that we will now want to get the anti-log of this number. And so if we bring that here, we are now looking for the anti-log of so you recall that for this we're only going to look up for the anti-log of 0.3111. So when we have that, then we now use the 1 to get the position of our decimal point. And from our log table, the anti-log of 311 under 1 difference 1 is 2046. All right, and so by the time we now get the from the characteristics, this is plus 1, So we move two decimal places or two positions, and therefore the solution to the whole of this is 20.46. So what it means is that if you check the value of what we are given here, it's actually equal to 20.46. So, and that's the importance of the use of logarithm. With or without calculators, you should be able to find the values of numbers, their roots, the multiplication, and all of that. Go through the process again and ensure that you are okay with it. All right, so this is all I have for you in this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of this content, and do give a thumbs up to this video. We'll see you in our next content. Bye.